Welcome back. In today's video, we'll be looking at a number of methods to try and improve the sound quality of our headphones. You can also use these methods for speakers and other sound output devices. Now, none of the methods will be able to massively increase the quality, however, hopefully they will make a noticeable difference. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips if the video helps. Let's get into the video. We're going to start by checking that we have our headphones or headset set up correctly. If you're confident yours are set up as they should be, then feel free to skip ahead a little to get straight into the ways to improve the quality. To check, first go to the main settings page by clicking on the cog icon within the start menu. In settings, go to System and then choose Sound from the options on the left. Now click the blue Sound Control Panel link on the right side of the page. When the new window opens, make sure you are in the Playback tab and find your headphones from the list. Click on your headphones and then choose Set Default. If you don't see your headphones on the list, then right-click on an option and choose Show Disconnected and Disabled Devices. You should now see it. If you still don't see your headphones on the list, then click the card now to go to a video of mine showing you ways to fix headphones that aren't working in Windows 10. Leave this window up for now, as we'll be coming back to it a little later on. The next thing we're going to do is run the Playing Audio Troubleshooter. This will quickly check for any obvious problems that could be causing your headphones to sound bad or to not work correctly. Go to the settings page again, but this time choose Update and Security, and then choose Troubleshoot from the options on the left. Find the Playing Audio option on the list and click on it and then select Run the Troubleshooter. Select your device and allow Windows to automatically look for and fix any problems. If it finds a problem but can't fix it itself, then search online for the specific solution to that problem. Let's now move on to ways to try and improve the sound quality of our headphones. The first thing to try is to increase the quality setting in the sound control panel. If you've never changed this before, there is a chance that we can improve the quality with a simple setting change. To check, go back to the window we left open. If you've closed it, the method to get there was Settings, then System, then Sound, and then Sound Control Panel. In the Playback tab, double-click on your headphones and then head to the Advanced tab. In here you should see the drop-down box which allows you to change the quality. If it's greyed out, then unfortunately you probably won't be able to edit it. You could try using another port on your PC though if this is the case. Choose the option with the highest number of hertz for the best chance at the highest quality, and remember to click Apply. Leave this window open again for the next method. The next method is to change and turn on some of the other settings within the device's properties window that we use to change the quality. These can be personal preference, but there should be a few options that might improve the sound quality of our device. The first few options can be found by going to the Enhancements tab. In the box, you should see at least a few options to turn on. You could turn on Bass Boost by checking the box to the left of it, and to change the settings of any of these options, click on them once and then choose Settings. For example, for the Bass Boost, I can change how much it boosts it by. There might be some other options such as headphone virtualization or loudness equalization that might make the sound quality better for you. Try them out and remember to click Apply once you are happy with the changes. Let's move on to the next method, and again it's worth leaving this window open for this. The next method to improve sound quality is to change the equalization settings of your device. The method to do this will differ depending on the type of device you have and the port it uses to connect to your PC. I'll be showing you 3 different ways you can do this. The first way is to head back to the sound control panel and back into the Enhancements tab of your output device. In the box that we used before, look for Equalizer and click on it once. Now find the 3 dots button next to where it says Setting to bring up the equalizer. Feel free to change the sliders in here or choose one of the presets until you are happy with the sound quality. By changing just one of the sliders, you'll be able to tell the difference in sound, and this is all personal preference. The second way to try this is if you find the small up arrow towards the right side of the taskbar and click on that, there might be an icon that looks like a speaker and called something like Realtek HD Audio Manager. Open that and there should be the enhancements and equalizer to change in there. If you are unable to access the equalization settings using the two previous methods, the third way that you might be able to change them is to download software that allows you to do it. I'll leave links to some software in the description that can do this. Follow the instructions on the website to install and set it up, and if you have any questions, then let me know. We're now going to ensure that we have the latest drivers installed for our headphones. The first way to check is to go to the device manager. You can get there by searching for it. In the device manager, find the option called Audio Inputs and Outputs and click on the arrow to expand it. Find your headphones from the list and double click on it to open a new window. Head to the Driver tab and find where it says Update Driver and click on that. Choose the automatic option and then allow Windows to search for driver updates. If it finds any, it will install them automatically too. If Windows couldn't find any updates, try looking for driver updates on the manufacturer's website. There should be a drivers page and you will need to know the model name or number of your sound device. Download and install the latest driver from there, but just make sure you are getting it from the official website. It's worth mentioning that you might be able to improve the audio quality within the app that you are using. When you are running an app or game, for example, check the audio settings to see if you can change them to make the audio sound better. If your headphones are too quiet and you want to make them louder, then I have the perfect video to help you with that. The software that is used to boost the volume can also be used as an equalizer, like I mentioned earlier. Click the card on screen now to go to that video of mine that will show you how to install and set up that software. It's completely free and should make a difference. You could also try things like scanning for viruses and updating Windows to the latest version, just in case either viruses or an outdated version of Windows is causing any problems. Another possible quick fix would be to change the port you use. Try a port on the back of your PC, for example, as this could help with the quality. If you use wireless headphones such as Bluetooth ones, try moving closer to the receiver to see if that makes a difference. If it does, try connecting the receiver to another port if it's a USB adapter, for example, to make it closer to you. Also remove any devices that could be interfering with the Bluetooth connection to get the best quality sound. And so those are my methods to try and improve the sound quality of your headphones in Windows 10 for free. I really hope the video was able to help. If you have any questions, then please let me know in the comments and I will try and respond as soon as I can. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways you can speed up your Windows 10 PC, or stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. If you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.